The air is filled with sweet perfume, a memory's gentle bloom of days when joy was never far, a happy past, a distant star. In the meadow where the daisies sway, we'd run and laugh, the sun our playmate. The wind would carry our wildest dreams through the golden hours that seemed like streams. Under the old oak spreading bough, we'd share secrets soft as a sigh. The world was ours, a painted scene in the light of that long ago spring. Oh, the happy past, a faded song that still plays on in my heart so strong. The laughter, the tears, all intertwined, a story written in the sands of time. Those moments like stars in the